Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to download a PC Manager to help keep your computer running smoothly. It's easy and quick, so let's get started. So first we will going to open our favorite browser. You can open Chrome, Firefox, Safari on the browser you prefer, but I chose Google Chrome and come over the search options and search for www.pcmanager. You can see pcmanager.com and click enter. And after that, here you will get the first link, pcmanager.microsoft.com. Basically, it's an official website, or maybe also, it's an app from Microsoft for running your Microsoft Windows very smoothly. So click on the first link. So after coming on here, you will get the link called download. Just click on that, and here you will get a notification pop-up called Open Microsoft Store. Basically, you can also download it from Microsoft Store. So click on Open Microsoft Store, and you can see it's opening Microsoft Store over here. After that, here you can see you will get install option yellow. You can see it's my theme basically, so it's not a problem. Just click on the install, and you can see. Click on the permission yes, and your download is getting started. You can see over here, and installation is completed. And now you can click on here to open it, or also you can open it. First of all, minimize it, and you can also open it from come over the start icon, and you can search over here PC Manager. Here you can see it's our PC Manager is over here. You can also come over here and click on open. You can also open it from here. So just now click on close it, and the PC Manager will open shortly. So here you can see our PC Manager is opened and it's getting ready. You can see if you downloaded it from the first time, you will get this kind of interface over here. And here you can see this is our PC Manager. You can oversee, just come over it here. So there is a lot of quite options called protection, storage, apps that all downloaded in your Windows. Also here is a toolbox. So first of all, I will get you to the toolbox. Here you will get an option called show toolbox on the desktop. So if you turn it on, you can see. So here you can see it's a toolbox from the PC Manager. It always will be with you. So it's a toolbox. You can see if you click on there, it will automatically boost up. So if you don't want to use this toolbox, just turn it off. And if you come over this app sections, here you will get the 4 options called process management, startup apps, and manage apps, Microsoft Store. So if you want to changes in your startup apps, you can also change it from here. And if you want to know your storage sense, you can also knowing by here. And if you want to deep clean your C drive or D drive, you just want to click on the large files. And if you click on the D drive, it will automatically deep cleaned. You know, it's very simple, right? And very useful. Also, you can do the protections items over here. You can click on the scan, and it will be automatically find out your virus and threat protections. And if you come over this home sections, you will get the health check of your PC, also the processing apps. And you will also get the startup and deep cleanup over here also. And if you want to change, you can come over the settings options, and there are a lot of quite options, so you can customize. So this is what PC Manager is. It's a very helpful app from Microsoft. Use it. It will boost up your laptop whenever you want. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you another video. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. See you another video. Till then, goodbye.